Oh wow, this is how it looks. So I have over 12. This is 6 then, under is 6. So we're bringing it out one by one. This is kimchi jam, and inside it we have, oh my goodness, ingredients, and this is a recipe book. For some of us I don't know how to cook it. It's not like me. It's giving me how to do this. But with this to guide me on how to cook this. So I'll be making videos of all 12 and I'll be posting them here. This is kimchi bokum. Just manage my name. This gimbap. If you watch Korean movies very well, there's no how you know this food. Let's see. Oh my god, this is prickles or what do you call it? You see this in Korean movies. Actually, pickled radish, yes. So there's this. Wow. I cannot wait to make videos of all these food items. Like, just being careful so I'm not going to put this one is not into another package. Then we have mandu. There is totoboki, rice cakes or something. I think that's what they call it. Then I have yagochujang. This looks nice. Then I have another. This is some cinnamon. We have some seksongpyeon. Oh wow. And I have degalbi. I know I'm not pronouncing these things very well. I don't know how to pronounce them, but I know them. You know, these are things that these are the food that I watch in Korean movies and I'm like, yes, I must try out this food. Now they're in my front and I cannot pronounce them. Alright, you need to do better. This is goldangmyeon. This spaghetti. You know, see it. I have this. And I have doing jenjige. Like I should stop pronouncing all these things before they come and beat me. And I have the last but not the least. Let's see. Oh wow. Oh wow. Smells nice. I've not even cooked anything but the ingredients alone. Oh my god. Special thanks to KFPI for sending this to us in Nigeria. That is the Korean Food Promotion Institute. And I promise to drop videos, you know, cooking all of these. I've not cooked my eating today, so I'm going to try them one by one. So be expecting, you know, a good content from me, food, and to my Nigerian people that will watch my videos. You don't have to my house address, so I'm eating this alone. So thank you very much, KCCN. Thank you, KFPI. Look forward to my videos. Thank you.